Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the girl Miss You. And if you're new here, welcome again. Join the family and click that subscribe button down below. Now guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I get a very natural looking makeup look for everyday wear for my girls going back to school and for my missus going back to work. Alright, so guys, here I am. I already primed my face. I used the milk primer to prime my face, and that primer is very good. Trust me on that one. It is very good. It is very gripping. It grips that foundation right into the skin, giving you that very natural look, skin-like look. All right. So in order to make my makeup matte, I also use the calamine lotion. All right, that gives me that mattifying look. I do know that the milk primer, they have a mattifying primer. I haven't used that one as yet. I might get it, but for now I'm using the calamine lotion because I don't like for my makeup to be sweating. All right, so this is my sweat proof genie. Okay, it helps me to keep my makeup matte. So I use my super stay foundation for my foundation. Guys, stay away from the 30-hour. It gets really clumpy. I don't like it. Okay, so I stick to the 24-hour Maybelline Super Stay foundation. So that's what I used for my foundation, and I'm now doing my highlight. I used my elf concealer for my highlight. And guys, just a tip, everywhere that I put my liquid or cream products, I also use some of my foundation to like mix it out, blend it out for that more natural looking look for my makeup. Okay, so this is for illustration. For my highlight just now, I used a bit of my foundation shade, and that is what gave me that natural looking highlight look. I also do that for my contour. Guys, put a little bit of your foundation shade alongside your contour, your highlight, and you will be surprised of the look that you will get. This is convincing me, but it's true, guys. It's the fact. All right, so that is what I do. This is my secret for having a very natural looking look. Blend that out with some of your foundation shade and you'll be surprised. All right, so I want a little bit of a lighter under eye, and so I went again with my elf concealer, but this is a much lighter shade. And of course, again, as I said, I do nothing on my face without putting a little bit of my foundation shade alongside that, and that is what I did just now. All right, so this is for a brighter under eye, and as you noticed, I put that only under my under eye. All right, it's an everyday look, but you want for your eyes to be open, you want for your eyes to be bright. I want for my under eye to be bright, well, not too bright, because it is not a nighttime look, it is a daytime look. And so I just went in with a little dab under my under eye, and I was sure to blend that out with my foundation shade. All right, I do that for my most natural looking look. I am now doing my contour, and I am using I'm using a Milani concealer for my contour. And again, what will you notice, guys? Tell me, what will you notice? Well, continue watching and you'll see. All right, so usually for my nose contour, I powder contour, but this time around I want a snatched nose. Yes, it is every day. We have different levels to everyday look. This is not just a run errands kind of look. All right, where I probably just powder contour. This is a I am going to work or I am going to school kind of look, everyday look. And so I want for my makeup to be there all day. And so I went a little bit more with the contour, and I actually creamed contour. All right, so guys, I am setting now, and of course, you set all the areas that you would have applied a cream or liquid product. You gotta set it. All right, it's just gonna crease up on you, won't last you for the day. It won't even last you 30 minutes. It will just slip right off. All right, guys, I am thinking that I want to do a sit down talk through video, which is much more detailed, giving you a step-by-step routine, my makeup step-by-step routine. Like, I want to start with, like, for the beginners. So I know I would have gotten a lot of new viewers, so I want to do a step-by-step tutorial video talking about all the steps that I take. I've only done one of those, and it was years ago. Not years ago, I haven't been on YouTube that long. Like, it was like a year or two ago. All right, so I am planning on doing that. However, I am kind of concerned about the echoing in the room, so I need you guys' feedback. Let me know if you are hearing the echo in the video. I'm not in the room right now because I'm doing this voiceover, but this video that I did, my Amazon baby registry unboxing those, I want you guys to listen to that video and tell me if you are hearing the echoing in the room. I don't know if you have any suggestions as to what I can do to prevent echoing, but I want to give you guys a detailed, full step-by-step video on my makeup routine or how to apply your makeup. All right, so these are the lashes that I'll be using, and you see what I'm talking about, that snatched nose? Yes, I use my liquid concealer for that snatched look. All right, so I'm not really just brushing the powder off, for which I used to set. I'm kind of pressing that into my skin, and I did go ahead with some blush there. Guys, have you noticed how blush has totally taken front row? No, like, I didn't used to like blush. My clients didn't used to like blush, but everybody's liking the blush nowadays. It gives you that youthful rosy look. Go ahead and use your blush, guys. Take it from me. Now this is the finished look. I can't wait to go ahead and do that video for you guys. I want your feedback. Tell me if you are hearing the echoing in the video. All right, so look out for that video. Bye. So guys, this is how the look turned out, and I absolutely love it. It's not doing too much. Very chic, very natural looking, and not too heavy on my face. It doesn't feel too heavy. This is where I'm going to end this video off. If you are liking this video, go ahead and leave that thumb and press that thumbs up button. Go ahead and click that subscribe button as well for more videos like this one. All right, see you next time, guys.